Good morning, students. This is Monica. I will teach you GK. So, this year, your GK book is change. It is of wow word within words. Okay. In sixth, you have GK book of that was of 365. Okay. But this time it is of wow words. Okay. So, purchase this book for GK subject. This is your GK book. This is the front page of the book. Okay. Yes, see this wow word within words. So students, this is your GK syllabus. So these are topics in your GK subjects. Okay. There are many topics like marine life, Nobel Prize, United Nations, risk and thrills. Means many interesting topic that we will read in GK. Okay. So we will do one by one chapter. So today we will discuss about some interesting places in the world. Like first, look at this picture. This is Cinderella Castle. Okay. Yes, students, look at this picture. This is Cinderella Castle. So the cover shows a colored pencil sketch of the iconic Cinderella Castle, which is located at two Disney theme parks, the Magic Kingdom at the Walt Disney World Resort and the Tokyo Disneyland at the Tokyo Disney Resort. Both are extremely popular tourist attraction. Okay, so this is tourist place and greatly popular among children and adults, as you also see on TV, Disney Channel. Okay, involve a bit of magic and away the little child inside the grow-ups. Second is of London Tower Bridge. It is in UK. The cover shows a colorful sketch of the tower. Yes, you can see this tower. Okay. So the bridge is located on the Thames River. Though not particularly long, it is landmark recognized in part for its unique mixed design of a spansion bridge and a bascule bridge. The tower bridge opened in 1894 and served both as a functional bridge for pedestrians and vehicles as well as a center for exhibitions. Okay. So mainly no need to learn all these things about this. You only know that there is London Tower Bridge and that is in London, UK. Okay. The third very famous, you must be familiar with this. This is Golden Temple, Amritsar, India. Okay. It is in Amritsar, India. Mainly in Punjab we can say state. Okay. Punjab state, it is located in Amritsar. So the cover design show a magnificent painting of the brightly lit Harmandir Sahib or Golden Temple against the backdrop of the evening sky located in Amritsar in the state of Punjab. So the Golden Temple is one of the holiest and most important pilgrim spots of the Sikhs. Although thousands of people from all the walks of the life visited, the temple stand in a pool of constantly changing fresh water. The city was named for the tank. So this is Golden Temple, which is located in Amritsar, Punjab. The fourth we have Victoria Harbour, Hong Kong. It is in Hong Kong. So this is depicts an oil painting of the Victoria Harbour, a natural harbour. Okay, located in Hong Kong. And the next is Saint Basil Cathedral in Moscow. Okay, So it is also an oil painting of the St. Basil Cathedral located in the famous Red Square of Moscow. So where is Moscow? Where is Moscow? It is in Russia. Okay. Russia is a very big country, and mainly it is completely socialistic country. In SST you must have read about this. Is one of the most iconic moments of Russia and major tourist attraction. For hundreds of years, Russian architecture reflected the influence of the Byzantine style, of which the best known Byzantine church. Okay, so this is about Saint Basil Cathedral, Moscow, Russia. The next we have Notre Dame Cathedral. It is in Paris, France. Okay, so the cover design shows it is a painting of that, and a very famous middle age cathedral located in Paris. And one thing is also famous about Paris, that is Eiffel Tower. You must have listened. Okay, so Eiffel Tower is very famous of Paris. Okay, then we having Amsterdam, Netherlands. It is in Netherlands. Okay, so the cover design shows a painting of 17th century canal houses overseeing the canal of Amsterdam, the capital of Netherlands, commonly seen along the canal running through Amsterdam. These buildings also serve as one of the symbol of the Dutch culture. Okay, so it is mainly related to the Dutch culture. Next we have Hagia Sophia, Istanbul, Turkey. So yes, look at the picture. So this is colorful painting of Hagia Sophia. Okay, in Istanbul, Turkey, popularly known as the Blue Mosque. The Hagia Sophia was a Greek Orthodox church, which later became an empirical museum and now a museum. So it is a museum. Look at this picture, and it is related to Turkey. Okay, Istanbul, Turkey. So students, no need to cram and learn these things. This is only just for sake of your knowledge on the name of the places. Okay, this is that we have Cinderella Castle, then we have London Tower Bridge, it is in London, UK. Golden Temple, very famous in India, it is in Amritsar, state of Punjab. Then we having Victoria Harbour, Hong Kong. Then we have Saint Basil Cathedral, Moscow, it is in Russia. Okay, Notre Dame Cathedral, Paris. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Then we have Hagia Sophia, Istanbul, Turkey. So these are painting related to place, some places, okay, that are famous in the world. Okay, so these are not, we can say, not part of your exam and part of your syllabus. These are only for the normal, we can say, general awareness, or we can say general knowledge. So just only have a look on these places, okay, and try to search more about these places if you are interested to know more. So students, this was only related to your syllabus. Means today we discuss only what is your syllabus, that these topics are part of your syllabus that we will discuss, and this is your books of Wow Words. Okay, so purchase these books. So students, watch the video to know about your GK syllabus and purchase book as soon as possible. And in the next video we will read about the topic Nobel Prizes. Okay, so watch video. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you students.